Okay, so coming into session today, let's see what's going on. So euro dollar currently in a daily fair value gap. So I'm expecting that we could actually go on and carry on down from here basically. So this is a drawn liquidity and we're in a fair value gap also in a discount EQ level of this leg. So pretty good area to go down. Going to the hour, quite corrective consolidation sort of price action, but there is this massive leg down which is showing bearish momentum. So it's sort of like an impulse and correction pattern coming down, impulsing correctively and then going down again. Plus also a lot of sell side liquidity resting below all of these lows, so that'll be interesting to see if we can take it out. But going to the 15-minute, what can we see? So we have the Asian high, Asian low. If we can label that out right there. Asian high, the Asian low. And then obviously the most important, the midnight opening price. So open there at midnight. We'll just label that there. Now, as I said before, we want to be, since we're bearish, we want to be selling um, above the midnight opening price. But in order for anything to happen, we need the Asian high to get taken out. So I want this to get taken out. Liquidity sweep, we have some sort of equal highs right there as well. Something like that. So if we can get that, take it out, tap into, well, and we're already in the fair value gap. But let's see if there's anything else. Beautiful. There's another fair value gap right there. A massive M15 fair value gap right there. 15-minute FVG. So if we tap into this, then I'll be looking for my sell entry model. But if we don't tap into that, then no trades for me because I am bearish. So even if we're going to go down, I'm not going to get any FOMO. Just wait for the Asian high to get taken out, and only then will I look for any trades short. In terms of news, today is Tuesday, no news today. So, if there's a trade, I'll take it. Tomorrow there is quite a lot of news, but it is after the London session, so shouldn't affect me anyway. But that is the forecast for today, and yeah, let's see what happens.